Persian carpets are prized possessions, cherished by collectors and homeowners alike. These exquisite pieces are not just functional items, but are celebrated for their intricate designs and unparalleled craftsmanship. They are renowned for their beauty and craftsmanship, often featuring complex patterns and vibrant colors that can transform any space into a work of art. The artisans who create these masterpieces dedicate years to perfecting their skills, ensuring each carpet is unique. These carpets are more than just floor coverings. They are a testament to Persian history and artistry. Each design element, from the floral motifs to the geometric patterns, carries a piece of Persian culture and tradition. Each carpet tells a story, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of Persia. The meticulous process of weaving, often done by hand, ensures that every carpet is a labor of love and dedication. Owning a Persian carpet is like owning a piece of art. These carpets are often displayed as centerpieces in homes, admired for their aesthetic appeal and the skill involved in their creation. They are valuable investments, and their worth often increases with time. Collectors and enthusiasts seek out these carpets, knowing that their value is not just monetary, but also cultural and historical. These carpets become family heirlooms, passed down through generations. They hold sentimental value, often reminding families of their heritage and the stories of their ancestors. In essence, Persian carpets are timeless treasures that connect the past with the present. The soul of a Persian carpet lies in its materials. These materials are carefully selected to ensure the highest quality and durability. Each thread, each fiber is chosen with precision and care. Wool is the most common material used, coming from sheep bred specifically for their wool. These sheep are often raised in regions known for their high-quality wool production, ensuring that the fibers are strong and resilient. Silk is another prized material, adding a luxurious sheen and softness to the carpet. The silk threads are spun with great care, creating a fabric that is both delicate and durable, enhancing the overall texture and appearance of the carpet. The dyes used are also crucial. Artisans spend years mastering the art of dyeing, ensuring that each color is vibrant and long-lasting. The process of dyeing is both an art and a science, requiring a deep understanding of the materials and techniques. Natural dyes are preferred for their rich hues, coming from plants and insects. These dyes are not only beautiful, but also environmentally friendly, as they are derived from renewable sources. For example, red comes from the madder root, which has been used for centuries to produce a deep, vibrant red color. The process of extracting the dye from the root is meticulous, ensuring that the color is rich and consistent. And blue comes from the indigo plant. The indigo dyeing process is equally intricate, involving multiple steps to achieve the perfect shade of blue. This attention to detail is what makes Persian carpets so unique and valuable. The loom is the heart of carpet weaving. It is where the magic happens. Traditional looms are made of wood. They are simple but effective tools. The size of the loom determines the carpet's size. The warp threads are strung vertically on the loom, forming the foundation of the carpet. The weaver then begins the intricate process of knotting. Design and patterns. A tapestry of tradition. Persian carpets are famous for their intricate designs. These designs are not random. They often hold symbolic meanings. Floral motifs are common, symbolizing paradise. Geometric patterns represent order and balance. Each region in Persia has its own unique style. For example, carpets from Tabriz are known for their medallion designs. Isfahan carpets feature intricate floral patterns. The art of knotting. Breathing life into carpets. The knotting technique is the most crucial aspect of carpet weaving. Each knot is meticulously tied by hand, ensuring the design and structure of the carpet are maintained. This ancient technique requires immense patience and precision. It is a skill passed down through generations. Families often work together, with elders teaching the younger members the intricate art of knotting. This tradition not only preserves the craft, but also strengthens family bonds. The weaver ties individual knots onto the warp threads. Each knot is a testament to the weaver's dedication and expertise. The process is slow and deliberate, ensuring that every knot is perfect. Each knot is then cut and packed tightly. This step is crucial as it ensures the durability and longevity of the carpet. The tighter the knots, the more resilient the carpet will be. The density of knots determines the carpet's quality. A high-density knotting pattern results in a more intricate and detailed design, making the carpet more valuable and sought after. A higher knot count means a finer and more durable carpet. These carpets are often considered masterpieces, reflecting the weaver's skill and dedication. This painstaking process can take months or even years to complete. The result is a beautiful, handcrafted piece of art that tells a story of tradition, skill, and dedication. Each carpet is unique, a testament to the weaver's artistry and hard work. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content, updates, and new uploads from Manufactour straight to your feed.